Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a magnificent property for sale. It consists of 2 stories plus a basement. It sits on 0.29 acres of land. It is located in Orchard Gardens, Hanover. Orchard Gardens is a very quiet, family-oriented community, close to schools and shopping facilities. The internal design of the house and overall construction is excellent. There is space at the front to accommodate a garden, and there are 2 enclosed garages with remote shutters. There are a total of 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. The design is an open concept consisting of 4 bedrooms on the top floor and 1 on the lower. There is also living, dining, study, and kitchen. The basement has a gym, entertainment, and washroom. All rooms are ensuite. Call agent to make an offer or arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.